Okay guys, so I'm about to try the cappuccino here. I've never had a cappuccino before. Ooh, that's powerful. I'll take it. What is up, beautiful people? So I'm at the bank right now, about to handle some business. I'm taking you guys, not inside, because I don't know how that, they're gonna be on some funky stuff. But today we're gonna do a quick couple errands, or I guess errand. Hopefully this goes my favor. I need to set up a new business account with Chase, and everything should be good to go after that point. But I'll keep you guys posted, and see you in a sec.
Stare contest, go. Yeah, friends. Feeling okay, just like hypochondria and like, yeah.
So what's up guys, right now I'm at a photo shoot with my sister and my friend Zena here. Anyways, it is literally windy as I don't know, you can tell from the air here. It's just extremely windy, but I want to check in with you guys. Me and Noah had to fight the other day. I'm gonna throw this in the end of the clip. This is like a few days later, but here's a little fit check. I went with a little retros Y2K type beat. You guys will see these pictures soon if you haven't already seen them, but I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Look at me and see if you like them or not.
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Wait, put it on the, I want to see what I look like. Oh, I actually look pretty. Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. Yes, hey Daniel. First name is Garry, G-A-R-R-Y.
Lauren, this looks like a movie. It's just like those crappy movies. Cause it's
oh, sorry, yeah, I'm outside. Don't blow away. Don't blow away from me. Right now I'm in a local parking garage taking pics for the gram. I don't know how well you guys can hear me because it's super freaking loud. But yeah, I mean, hi. How you guys doing today? I'm gonna go stand in the sunlight real quick. Okay guys, so I decided that I'm gonna go make some Asian style chicken. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll throw up a picture right here. But this is what I'm gonna make. So right now I'm in my local 99 Ranch market, and I already have the chicken. I already have some soy sauce packets. I guess I need to get some sesame oil, as well. My mom wants some plantains, as well as some freaking potato starch or cornstarch. We have some, but not enough. So I'm gonna get some potato starch, see how that works, and then go from there. But yes, we're about to make some chicken tonight. Even though I'm going vegan slowly but surely, we're gonna kick it off with that. So today we're gonna make that, and I hope you. Look at these chips. That looks good. I should try one of these days. Ooh. They got crawfish flavor. This is dope. Okay. Okay, so I found what I'm looking for, and the aisle is over, so I came down this aisle because it's empty. I think they got some kimchi here. I eat a lot of Asian food, y'all, so especially being in Houston, there's a lot of influence here. So I definitely love it. So we're gonna go get our sesame oil and our other items, and we're gonna eat. Potato starch. Now it's time to get the sesame oil. There's an aisle next to me, so I'm gonna whip around and go there. They're playing some Harry Styles. I'm digging the vibes. Okay. I'll probably. I still gotta stop by what's it called for Ken. Smooth. Y'all don't even know. I literally so smooth that. So I just had to squeeze this tiny little space right here. Like, bro. Got some sake here. I'm not drinking that ish. Yo, I love these. We're gonna need some sesame oil. I think we'll go with this one here. And we already have some soy sauce. They say we should make some chipotle mayo. I'll see if they have some here first and then just go from there. But we'll see. So I got the potato starch, sesame oil, have soy sauce, seasoning, we have that at home. Okay, I think we had everything pretty much that we didn't have before. Yeah, so let's keep it rolling. Damn, this smells like the freshest seafood ever, bro. Like, I swear they literally just took them off the boat and came here. Get us, woo, tapioca. It's easy to make tapioca, guys. Stay tuned. If you guys want me to make a tapioca recipe or whatever, let me know. I can make that for y'all. So I see they have dragon fruit. I've never actually tried dragon fruit before. But right now I'm looking for the plantains. I see bananas to my right. So we're gonna check that out. To be honest, y'all, I've had one of these before. It was the one like you drop into it. But I'm not sure which flavor to get. So I got this one that's like peach over here somewhere. It's in my car right now, so hopefully it's good. And if not, oh well. But I don't really drink sodas or any beverage like that, so I'm gonna test it out. So we have some taro here. Yeah, buddy, we got plantains in action. So I don't know which type. My mom said a yellow brownish one. So probably this is close to. Because I know these are very ripe, just like a regular banana, but these are a little bit different. But the darker they get, the sweeter they're gonna be. So this one doesn't look too used and abused. I'll grab this one, and I'll see if I see another one in here that's decent looking. This is my first time picking out plantains, y'all. Let me know how I do. I'm trying to avoid the ones with so many bruises too, but like, I don't know. She's gonna take whatever I give her. You feel me? Aw, dang, that sounds so perverted. My mom. So I see they got this crunchy. Usually I just get the regular strawberries like right here, but I think I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. Get one of those, but I love these Hello Pandas as well. Ooh, I'm not sure. I might even get the Oreo one, so let's see what we have here. Pack of this for sure. And then we'll get the regular ones. Just keep it simple. Cart update. Here's the plantain I chose for my mom. Boom. I got some poke, ready to rock it out. I'm excited to get cooking, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this so far. Stay tuned to the end so you guys can see the finished product. Gonna go ahead and pop the trunk, put this food in there. Okay, so guys, I'm at the park now. My sister's having another photo shoot here. I'm gonna chill, walk around a little bit while she's doing that. It's a beautiful day. I'll show you guys kind of what the park's looking like. I'm on some grass right now. Highway's over there, but like I said, tonight we're making some good food. But in the meantime, let me show you guys what we're doing today. I think I'm gonna make it a mukbang. You'll know by now based on the title. I don't even know what I'm gonna talk about, but we'll figure that out. And yeah, I'm gonna cook it and then we're gonna mukbang it out, baby. So here's the creek, and if you guys watch my one video where I made like the editorial type thing, that was where I did it. I did it over here in this park. It was kind of cringe, but I enjoyed doing that. So hopefully I'll get more opportunities to do that with actual other brands and stuff like that. So you guys stay tuned. Excuse me. So I got Kennedy's taro milk tea thingy, then Lauren's what's it called, and then Lauren's icy, and then my strawberry mango with boba.
Your friend called him. Yes. Because he what we call oh,
Allison loves promotion. She's sweet.
We gotta use the bathroom.
상대는 H보를 지상하는 아마스 케이시 서로의 조화를 위해 시간과 장소가 비롯된 시정물을 필요한 수 있습니다. 로프를 입수했다고 진짜 수시라도 조심해.
Show you guys what it's looking like. For the Sprite, guys. Okay, guys. So it says, peel off the seal, lift off the white cap, and push down the center to release the opener. Place the opener onto the top of the Ramune bottle. Press down firmly with your palm. This will open the bottle by dislodging the stopper. Keep pressing for 5 seconds. Remove the white opener from the bottle and discard. All right. What the heck?
Mark on the top of the soda. So now we have this cap. You want to
Oh wow. Okay, hold on. Oh, boom. Oh.
cap on a few seconds.
Literally the video said to let the carbonation calm down. Awkward. That being said though, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one before my camera dies. Deuces.
Well, I'll be hanging around the arena grounds